Welcome back. World-renowned track and field coach and MVP Track Club co-founder Stephen Francis says persons should embrace the use of artificial intelligence, AI, in assisting in areas of the sport, including officiating. Francis was in attendance at the recent How It Airs lecture series, where guest speaker John Paul Clark, who is a professor of aerospace engineer at the University of Texas, Austin, spoke about the use of AI in the sustainable future of track and field. Professor Clark pointed to the change in timekeeping at the Olympic Games as a strong example of the sport's evolution. And Coach Francis, who guided the careers of the likes of Shelley and Fraser Price, Elaine Thompson-Hera, Asafo Powell, and who now coaches Tina and Tia Clayton, as well as Kishane Thompson, says current track and field officials should not fear being replaced by AI.
They will have other areas to work in. I mean, it's just as if I remember when a number of years ago, you went to the stadium and most of the officials were timekeepers. They were like 25, 30 timekeepers. Now they are zero. So, and there were another 30 finish judges. Now they are zero. So it's a sign of the time. We move on.